Can a small patch really help with weight loss, appetite control, metabolism, blood sugar support, energy levels, and several other health goals at the same time? That's the promise behind the Prelvix Berberine 6 in 1 microneedle patch, and it's definitely worth taking a closer look before buying. At first glance, the product sounds impressive. The marketing highlights a combination of ingredients and a microneedle patch design that claims to deliver health and wellness benefits without requiring major lifestyle changes. But here's where it's important to stay realistic. Whenever a product promises dramatic weight loss, rapid body transformations, and multiple health benefits all from a single solution, it's a good idea to approach those claims carefully. Weight management is a complex process that can be influenced by diet, physical activity, sleep, genetics, and overall health. Because of that, consumers should be cautious about products that suggest significant results can be achieved with little effort or in a very short period of time. Another thing worth checking is the evidence behind the product. Before making a purchase, take time to review independent customer feedback, ingredient information, company transparency, and any research supporting the claims. Looking beyond the marketing can help you make a more informed decision. It's also important to remember that testimonials and promotional stories don't always reflect typical results. Individual experiences can vary significantly, especially when it comes to wellness and weight management products. So, is the Prelvix Berberine 6 in 1 microneedle patch worth trying? If you're interested in wellness products, it may be one option to research further. However, consumers should approach promises of dramatic weight loss and major health transformations with realistic expectations.